I don't want to be the laughing stock of the galaxy as being the only intelligent species with a space program that did not prevent its own extinction.
An asteroid, roughly the size of a football field, poses the greatest threat to Earth in modern forecasting and could cause severe regional damage.
How worried should we be?
I think this has the potential to be very serious indeed.
If it strikes Earth, the impact could be 500 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb.
We cannot ignore this rock, it's the highest probability of an impact I can recall, and it has the potential, the possibility for being an emergency for planet Earth.
Scientists estimate a 3.1% chance of collision in December 2032, which could result in widespread destruction.
We got hit by a meteorite like this about 120 years ago, and it flattened the forest for like, 1,000 kilometers.
The asteroid is named 2024 YR4.
It's about 500 times more powerful than the biggest bomb we exploded during World War II. 500 times more powerful.
NASA and the European Space Agency are closely monitoring it, but emphasize that there is no immediate cause for alarm.
What will probably happen is that the orbit will be refined and it'll go down to a very, very low probability. It won't hit us at all. But should it remain somewhere around about 1 in 67 or even 1 in 100, then we face a problem.
The impact probability is expected to change as more data is gathered.
You don't have to worry until 2032. That's when the potential impact is. And the current data says there's about a 2% chance of the asteroid hitting us. So that's, 1 in 45? So it's not far off picking a single card out of a deck.
However, astronomers have only a few weeks left to observe it before it moves out of view until 2028, when it will head toward Jupiter.
Scientists are trying to work out whether there's a chance of it hitting the Earth, which could happen 8 years from now.
If the asteroid were to enter Earth's atmosphere on December the 22nd, 2032, it would likely pass over a wide central belt of the planet, potentially affecting multiple major cities.
Civilization will not come to an end. We will not go extinct. We will not have to worry that we will suffer the same fate as the dinosaurs. So chill.
NASA data does not specify which cities are at risk, but the possible impact zone includes the Eastern Pacific Ocean, Northern South America, the Atlantic Ocean, Africa, the Arabian Sea, and South Asia.
This is 50 meters in size, and it is the biggest in terms of size, in terms of probability, we found in the last 20 years or so.
Scientists continue refining their calculations to better understand its trajectory.
If it is going to hit, we know exactly when that will occur, and so we know what we need to do. For example, if we just want to evacuate an impact area, or in fact if we have enough warning time, as may be the case for this one, we can actually mount a deflection mission.
There are methods to alter an asteroid's course.
You might have to get together with China and Russia and say, hey, let's send some nukes up.
So there's a lot of misunderstanding around nuking it, actually, because if you actually just send a nuke at it and blow it up, all of that stuff is still coming straight towards us.
In 2022, NASA's DART mission demonstrated humanity's ability to redirect asteroids.
If it turns out to be above 50 meters across and has a higher than 1% chance of impact, which right now it's looking like yes, then there will have to be some discussions and a decision about a mission to deflect it.
A spacecraft, roughly the size of a small car, collided with an asteroid, nudging it just enough to alter its trajectory.
But sooner or later, as we continue to observe the sky with the scrutiny and the precision we've done now, we will find an object, whether it's this one or next decade or in the next century, we will find an object that's heading for us.
For now, they urge the public to stay informed, but not to panic.